Okay guys, I made a calculator mistake. I inputted these wrong. 8.99 E9, not 8.99 times 10 E9. If you go back and see all these, I inputted times 10 E whatever. It's either times 10 caret whatever exponent or just E exponent. The E function is supposed to make it a little bit less mistake prone, but garbage in, garbage out. I'm guilty. Okay, so these are off by a little bit. This should have been 0.01199 or 0.012, right? And then by the same token, this should have been 0.01349 or 0.014, and then when you go to add them, you should have negative 0.012 plus 0.013, okay, and then you should get 0.014, right? And then that should have got you, and that would give you a value of 0.002 newtons. Okay, or depending whether or not you rounded, you might have got 0.0015 newtons. Okay, my apologies. Let's hope that's the last mistake we make.